Today, we are going to install the DRT Motorsports Rear Fascia Chase Light Kit for Polaris 2022 Plus Pro R. Install time for this item is around 60 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need the following tools for this project: the power drill, T40 drive bit socket, step drill bits, reciprocating saw, file set, deburring tool, drive ratchet, 8mm combination wrench, and a 3mm hex bit socket drive. Step 1. Drill mounting holes. Begin by removing the T40 Torx bolts on each side of the factory rear fascia. Next, detach the DRT backing plate from the DRT rear fascia panel. Install the panel using the two T40 Torx bolts and use it as a template to mark and drill all necessary mounting holes. You can now use the panel as a template to drill out all the required holes for mounting the panel and the lights. Once all of the holes have been drilled out, you can remove the rear fascia panel to prepare for the next step. In order for the panel to sit flush at the end, you will need to open up the two center holes to approximately a ½ inch to clear the nut and bolts that hold the DRT backing plate to the rear fascia panel. Step 2. Drill and cut out the light inserts. Use the light bezels as a template to outline the cutouts for the lights, making sure they are properly aligned with the holes drilled in the rear fascia panel. Using a step drill bit, drill out the 4 corners for each light opening. Now you can use a saw to cut out the center sections where the lights will be installed. Finish by cleaning up all edges with a file and deburring tool to ensure a smooth, precise fit. Step 3. Install lights on rear fascia panel. Remove the light bezels from the housings, then align each light with the cutout in the rear fascia panel, ensuring the wiring is positioned to the bottom. Reattach the bezels to secure the lights in place from the front. Now that both lights are installed, reattach the DRT backing plate to the panel. You will need an 8mm combination wrench and a 3mm hex key to complete this step. Step 4. Install DRT rear fascia panel. Begin by aligning the lights and rear fascia panel. You can now bolt the panel on by using the 2 T40 Torx bolts on each side. Next, install the remaining 4 bolts by threading them through the panel and reaching behind the factory rear fascia to secure them in place. Ensure all bolts are tightened evenly for a secure fit. You've just upgraded your Polaris Pro R with the ultimate rear chase light solution. Your new DRT Motorsports rear fascia chase light kit is designed to deliver maximum visibility by mounting at the furthest rear point of your vehicle with zero obstructions. Unlike traditional cage, or bed-mounted setups, this kit ensures your lights remain clear and visible no matter what accessories you run. Your kit is precision-built and has a black powder coat finish and bright anodized contrast plate, giving your Pro R a clean, custom look, while the included black-plated stainless hardware and nylon locking nuts guarantee a secure, rattle-free installation. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.